Hello guys, welcome back to Zig the Programming Guide channel. My name is Beatrice and in today's video I'll be showing you how to stop backup in Google Photos. So as you all know, sometimes you just feel like your backup keep on happening constantly, maybe monthly, weekly or daily, which is going to cost you a lot of data and you don't want that. Or maybe when you're connected to any Wi-Fi, you just see all your photos and videos automatically being saving up, like having a backup, you understand. So I'm going to show you how to actually stop that from happening. So first thing you have to do is open up your Google Photos just like this, and once you are on your Google Photos, what you need to do is you have to click on this profile you can see up there, right there. So you can see that mine is actually undergoing a backup right now. So how am I going to stop this from happening constantly? So you click on backup and here is where everything is going to happen. So as you can see off your screen, you can see backup photos and videos on this device automatically. So once I turn this off, it's not going to happen anymore. Yeah, it's not going to happen anymore. And I can click on that setting right there, click it on open again, and just go down to select, right? You click on this and you can see original. So okay, not here, mobile usage, and here is where you get to choose like the data it's going to take to actually backup. So you can just choose 50 or 100 or unlimited. So you're going to pick low data because you're trying to turn that off. You want to stop that from happening. So after doing that, you just have to turn this off back again, so it won't automatically back up all your videos and photos. That is how to actually help that. If this guide was helpful, give this a thumbs up and equally subscribe to get more helpful tips like this. Thanks for watching guys. I'll see you in my next video. Bye.